Another milestone, another step closer to home. Construction at Vivid Horizon, Cantonments continues to advance, with work now progressing on the ground floor concrete ceiling. What began as a vision is steadily taking shape, and with every stage, you can see the development becoming more real. For our homeowners and investors, this is what progress looks like. Consistent work on site, visible advancement, and a project moving forward with purpose. We'll continue to bring you closer to the journey as Vivid Horizon rises. The progress is real. The future is taking shape. Vivid Horizon Cantonments, where your new life begins.